Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, this is Arabi Ninja 12 here. Today, I wanted to show you what I got for my bike because a couple of months ago, someone attempted to steal my bike as it was parked in one of the garages where I work. So there are many security devices you can use in order to secure your bike, but I chose one in particular because it's easier for me. There is a disc lock which you can use, or you can put alarm on your bike. So on the side of the disc lock, I don't like it because some of them don't come with the stripe which you can lock to the handlebars to remind you that you have a disc lock on the bike. So if you are in a hurry, you just start your bike and then bam, you go, you're gonna destroy your discs and also your brakes. So I didn't want that. To make this story short, I went on eBay and I bought this. So this is what I bought for my bike. What this does is, as you can see right there, it locks your front brake lever to the handlebars on your bike. So what you do is, so this is the lock. What you do is you just unlock it, and then so here it's unlocked. What you do is this here, the handlebars goes in here, and the brake levers go through here, right here. And then what you do is you place it, unlock it. So what this does is it locks your front brakes so that your bike can't move. So in addition to what you have, which is the handlebar lock which comes with the bike, you have another at least security feature which you can use to lock them. So the thief will have to do two things: to break the handlebars in order to let the bike free, and then also will have to break this to let the brakes free. So this here, to me, I think it's another feature you can use, because since you put it on top of the handlebars, it will deter someone from stealing your bike, because they will know, oh, the bike is locked, you know. So now that's the lock. So to me, I got this on Amazon for like $10, and it has been working for me, so I have no problems. So I think that's it.
Why given the Shiba? Panda sin we a fire. Yes, in Gona.
Say, Zenimiro with Fama. Say, Zenimiro, yeah. Say, Zenimiro with Fama. Say, Zenimiro, yeah. Zenimiro with Fama.
Alright, guys, that's it. Ride safe. Life is too short to worry about tomorrow. Peace. I'm out.
Why given the